In other news, Rahul Gandhi has launched a scathing attack against Prime Minister Modi from his home turf Amethi. While meeting farmers, Rahul said while the Prime Minister is travelling the world, he's not met even a single family of a farmer who's committed suicide. Rahul said the Modi government is pro-industry and anti-farmer and he would give them 0 on 10. He also lashed out at the Prime Minister for cancelling the food park in Amethi, hitting out against the central government. Rahul Gandhi is visiting his constituency for the first time since he returned from his sabbatical.
जमीन इधर है, आपने अपने आंखों से देखी। फूड पार्क तकरीबन यहाँ 10 दिनों का फायदा पहुँचाता, किसानों को, मजदूरों को फायदा पहुंचाता है। किसान डायरेक्टली अपना माल नीचे करो थोड़ा 40 अलग अलग कारखानों में बेच सकता है, फूड प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स में बेच सकता है। बीजेपी की सरकार ने अमेठी और यहाँ के आसपास के 10 जिलों के किसान को और मजदूर को जबरदस्त चोट पहुंचाई। वो बदला मुझसे लेना चाहते हैं, मगर फंस इसमें रहा है किसान और मजदूर। और मैं चाहता हूं कि वो ऐसी राजनीति ना करें, वो किसान और मजदूर के हाथ मजबूत करें और ये फूड पार्क उनको फिर से दें। धन्यवाद।
हिंदुस्तान के किसान के घर नहीं गए, हिंदुस्तान के मजदूर के घर नहीं गए।
विजन था, सोच थी कि हम फूड पार्क लाएं, यहाँ पे 5, 6, 10 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स का फायदा हो, किसानों का फायदा हो, मजदूरों का फायदा हो, मगर अब मोदी सरकार ने उसको छीन लिया। और मुझसे नहीं छीना है, वो किसान से, मजदूर से, कमजोर लोगों से छीना है। और ये लड़ाई हम लड़ेंगे। हमारी पूरी कोशिश होगी कि हम इन पर दबाव डालें और ये फूड पार्क वापस आए।
Congress can plan anything as far as Mr. Gandhi is concerned. One only finds his going to Amethi making news because he doesn't go there very often. As a member of parliament, he should visit his constituency. If he probably visits it once a month or twice a month, perhaps over the 10 years of neglect that has taken place as he has represented it, he may help some development happen there.
Rahul Gandhi there addressing farmers in Amethi. As even before he arrived there, he launched an attack on the government over the cancellation of the food park, saying that it was going to bring prosperity to the region but has been snatched away by the central government. Also attacking the Prime Minister, saying that he's been travelling around the world but hasn't bothered to visit the family of even one farmer who's committed suicide. So Rahul Gandhi, they're really launching an attack against the Prime Minister and against the central government. NDTV's Neha Massi sent us this report.
In Amethi, in a combative mood, he stopped before in another place, and here as well, this is the site of the food park where he stopped and attacked the Modi government for cancelling the permission for the food park, saying that it does not hurt him but actually hurts the interest of the poor farmers. For him, it is a matter of fighting with the government for the rights of the farmers. He also attacked the Modi government on completing 1 year, saying that they had not done anything much for the poor or for the farmers but only worked for the industrialists, and that's reflected in the fact that the Prime Minister has visited many countries, has toured many countries but has not visited any homes of the farmers. So a clear attack on the government and Rahul Gandhi back in his constituency after many months. His last visit was on December, and some months ago there were also posters saying that he has been missing from Amethi and that the people of Amethi are looking for him. So he's come back now with a big bang, trying to make his point that it is actually him who's fighting for the rights of the farmers and not the Modi government. With camera person Ramesh Verma in Amethi, Neha Massi for NDTV.
Rahul Gandhi there in Amethi. He's on a 3-day visit there. He'll hold several meetings and address several rallies attacking the government over the cancellation of the food park.